Hi guys. Well, we all love the Tamiya Lunchbox and its unpredictability, its wheeling craziness, but at some point we've all tried to look at solutions to just get a little bit more control. Here's something I bet you've never considered: using tyre inserts. These are just regular Schumacher tyre inserts from a 2.2 truck, and they fit right inside the Tamiya Lunchbox wheels. Here's how to fit them. You squeeze them in the tyre and see how perfect they fit. It couldn't be made for anything more closely. Stick the wheel in as usual. Compared to a normal tyre, just like you would normally, front and back. This helps with ballooning if you're running a brushless setup, and it certainly helps with control when the front comes down after a wheelie. Just gives you that little bit less bounce. Give it a go. It's about £4 for a pair, which would be $5. It's a great, cheap, easy mod. Happy lunchboxing!